Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo IdeaPad 5 2-in-1 driver download. Open any browsers to type Google search box to like that. Go to first link to right click to new tab which is pcsupport.lenovo.com. You can see there are two types to install driver, automatic and manual. So if you require to automatic, you just scan now and system detect require driver and after that you can install it. Okay. Otherwise you have to install like that manually one by one separate driver. You just select the driver. Okay, you can see this is all driver. You just click to camera and card reader. After that you can see this is camera driver and all other are there. You just camera driver, just go to this, click to download. After click to download, you can see this is downloading start. Okay, wait for a second, it will complete and then I give you solutions to install. That's completed, just single click. Then click to yes. Then accept. Next. You can see this is extract only and install only. So if you have extract then you can install it, otherwise select the install directly. Then next and install. Now you can see your system required driver is installing. And see camera driver is installed. Then okay, finish.